Hello everyone, welcome to Nelson School online education program. Learn grade 7th and subject English grammar. The topic that we are dealing with currently is direct indirect speech. So today we'll be doing the direct indirect speech fair book exercise 3. So it's exercise 3, change into indirect speech. The coach said to me, if you improve your service, you can become a good tennis player. So our first step is to go for reporting verb said to, that you have to change it to told. Next step is reported verb, that is improve. So it becomes improved. Then it is can, that changes to could. And we have these two verbs. So dealing with the reporting verb and reported verb is over. Then next step is to go for the pronouns. For that, the coach is the speaker, so we'll put a circle. Me is the listener, put a box. Okay, in the reporting speech. Now we'll go to the reported speech. Again, you, it is a second person pronoun, so I'll put a box. Okay, your second person box, you second person box. Now these all are second person. Second person always changes with the listener. Now this listener is in first person, me. You can see me. Okay. So now if you will change to me is first person. So you changes to I. If I improved, this is already changed. Your service changes to my service. You can changes to I could. So it sounds, the coach told me that, this comma I have to remove and put that. If I improved my service, comma, I could become a good tennis player. Number 2, the policeman on duty said to him, if you go straight for about 2 kilometers, you will reach the post office. So the policeman on the duty is the speaker, put a box. First step dealing with the verb, you do it. That is said to, change to told. Then the reported verbs are go. Okay, it's simple present. So you'll change it to simple past went. Again it is will, that changes to would. Now go for pronouns. That is, the policeman on duty is third person. So we have to circle that speaker. Then again him is the listener, put a box. Now here in the reported speech, the pronouns are you, second person box. Again you, second person box. Now second person changes with the listener. Your listener is in third person, that is him. So if you changes to if he. If you go straight, if he went straight for about 2 kilometers, again you will changes to he would. Okay, reach the post office. When you are changing will to would, that model is changed. With the verb with the model will always be used in its root verb. So it is the policeman on duty told him that if he went straight for 2 kilometers, he would reach the post office. Number 3, I said to him, you did right to come. So it is said to, changes to told. Then did, simple past, underline, reported verb. So simple past changes to past perfect, that is had done. Now, I is the speaker, circle it. Him is the listener, box it. Now inside the inverted commas, you, second person box. Again, boxes, second person changes with the listener. Now listener is in third person, male, it is a masculine you could say. So this also changes to he. So it becomes, you did right to come, it changes to he. Did changes to had done, right to come. So it seems, I told him that, comma I have to replace and put that, and open inverted commas, he had done right to come. Number 4, I said to you, you have been wasting your time in going to clubs. So it is said to, changes to told, have been wasting, present perfect continuous tense. So you can have been wasting, changes to had been wasting, past perfect continuous tense. Any other verb we don't have. So we'll have this circle. I is the speaker, circle it. You is the listener, box it. Now in the reported speech, you second person box, your second person box. Again second person changes with the listener. Listener is already in second person, you could see. So these things will not change. Okay, so it seems I told you that comma you have to remove and put that. Now if the pronouns are not changing because this listener is already in the second person pronoun, so you'll use it as it is. You have been changes to had been wasting your time in going to clubs. Number 5, the doctor said to me, you should not miss your medicine if you want to get well soon. So it is set to, okay, that you reporting verb that you change to told, then it is should, the reported verb. Now this, if it is shall, you can change to should, but if it is should, keep as it is. Okay, so here no change. Next is want. Simple present changes to simple past, that becomes wanted. The reported verb is over. Now, doctor is the speaker, circle it. Me is the listener, box it. Now, inside the inverted commas, the pronouns used are you, second person box, your second person box it, and again you, second person box. So there are three pronouns. Now, again, these all are the boxes, second person, so they'll change with the listener. Your listener is in first person pronoun, that is me. So you can use you should becomes I should, not miss. Your medicine becomes my medicine. If you changes to if I wanted to get well soon. So it seems the doctor told me that I should not miss my medicine if I wanted to get well soon. Number 6, the teacher said to us, you all are intelligent children, but you have not been working hard. So it is said to, changes to told. The verbs, reported verb are simple present, changes to simple past, were. Have not been working, okay, or have been working, not is a negative word. So present perfect continuous tense changes to past perfect, that is had not been working. Next, the teacher is the speaker, circle it. Us is the listener, you have to box it. Now, inside the inverted commas, the pronouns are you, so box, second person. Again, you, second person pronoun, box it. Now, again, second person changes with the listener. Your listener this time is in first person pronoun because us is first person, okay? So, this you have to change it to first person. You are, because it is plural, so I'll use first person plural, that is we. So it is we were all intelligent children, but you have changes to we had not been working hard. So it is the teacher told us that we were all intelligent children, but we had not been working hard. Number 7, Mrs. Hussain said to her son, you must go abroad and earn money till you have sufficient funds to set up a factory of your own. So it is said to, changes to told. Next is must. Must changes to had to. And earn money till you have sufficient funds. So have, it changes to present perfect, changes to past perfect, that is had. To set up its non-finite verb, a factory of your own. Now next is Mrs. Hussain is speaker, so circle it. Her son is the listener, put a box. Now, inside the inverted commas, you is used, second person pronoun, box it. Again, you, second person box, you are also second person box. Now, all second person changes with the listener. Your listener, that is her son. It is a son, okay, masculine, and it is in third person. So, you can use he. So, it is you must changes to he, had to. Then you have changes to he had. A factory of your own changes to his own. Okay, so it sounds Mrs. Hussain told her son that he had to go abroad and earn money till he had sufficient funds to set up a factory of his own. Thank you.